Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and when I first got this vest, I never imagined all the different ways I would be able to wear it. This vest is from Mina Self, and I'm wearing it in the beige color. Let me give you a few more details on the vest itself, and then I'm going to show you some of the ways that I have been styling it. Now I'm wearing the size large, and I would say it is a roomy fit. So if you want room to be able to wear this vest over another shirt or something else, then you might want to keep that in mind. But if you want it to be close fitting or snug, you might want to size down. Large is the normal size that I usually get. The fabric is thick and the vest is fully lined. You can feel the quality. It's not overly stiff and uncomfortable. I was genuinely surprised at how many different looks I could create with this one vest. So I wore it with pants. I was able to put it over a dress. I wore it with a pencil skirt and jacket for a more professional look, like if I was for a suit, and it went so well. It works well on its own, it works well over something, and it works good under a jacket. So this is something that's going to add so many different possibilities. I kept finding more and more things in my closet to try with it. And it's also going to be able to bridge seasons. So it's not a piece that's only meant for summertime. I'm very happy with it all around, comfort-wise and style. And that is my point of view.